Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School online education. I am glad to see you all in a new session of mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: if you want to be more powerful in the life, educate yourself. It's that simple. It describes the very easy and simple way to become successful in your life. What does it say? That if you want to be more powerful in your life, then start educate your life. Education is the only weapon which you use to win the life. Okay, let's begin our day. As you all know that this is the time to make revision of all the previous chapters. In this series, we already have completed the revision of chapter 4, as well as in previous lecture we also make revision of chapter 5. The remaining revision will continue. So everyone, sit straight at your place, back straight. Very good. Now write down date and day in this corner, everybody. Write today's date and then day. Standard 1, subject maths. Write the heading revision of chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is Numbers up to 100. Everyone completed the writing? Very good. In previous lecture, we completed the revision of place value and fill in the blanks. Write the heading. Write the numbers before and after. Everyone copy this heading WRITE. Write THE, the numbers before and after. Your handwritings must be good. Leave some space between two words. Put punctuation properly. Very good. Look at the board. Here we have two pairs of numbers. Number 1, 2 and 3. Look, here number 2 comes after number 1. When it comes before number 3. So we can say that 2 is number which comes after 1, when 2 is a number which comes before number 3. This may be helpful us to find the between numbers. We can say that number 2 is the between number of 1 and 3. Here in this pair, we can say that number 8 comes after 7 when number 8 comes just before number 9. In the other way, we can say that 8 is the between number of 7 and 9. Here we have to write the number before and after. Means we have the between number only with us. So, first of all make a dash, then write number 44, again make a dash. Now tell me, which number comes just before 44? 41, 42, 43, 44. Now tell me which number comes just 44? It is 43. And which number comes just after 44? It is number 45. So, first of all you have to write number 44. Before 44 there comes 43. And after 44 there comes number 45. Copy this in your book. Everyone has completed 43, 44, 45. Very good. Leave one line and then write new number. Make a blank first, then write 81 and again make a blank. Here we have the between number 81. So we have to find out first before number. Tell me which number comes just before 81. There comes number 80. Write down number 80. Before 81 there comes 80. Now it's time to write after number. Tell me which number comes just after 81. There comes number 82. Everybody copy this in your book. Number 80, 81 and 82. Let me inform you again that right now we are writing before and after both the numbers, as we already have the between number. Okay? 80, 81 and 82. Everyone has completed? Very nice. Make a dash or box and then write number 6060 and again leave some space. Now tell me, my dear, which number will come just before 60? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now tell me which number comes? Yes, there comes number 59 before 60. Now which number comes just after 60? It is 61. Everyone copy this properly. 59, 60 and 61. Write down properly. And as you all are writing in square line book, so write properly in between the square only, 59, 60 and 61. Make a dash or square, then write number 29. Again make a dash. Now tell me, my dear, which number comes just before 29? How can we find out? Yes, we have to start counting from 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Which number comes just before 29? It is 28. Now tell me, after 29, which number will come? Yes, there comes 30. Everybody copy this. 28, 29 and 30. Make a square or blank, write number 7676 and again leave some space. Now tell me, my dear students, which number will come just before 76? Let's start counting the line of 7. 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76. Stop there. Which number comes just before 76? Yes, there comes 75. Now tell me, after 76, which number will come? It is 77. Everybody copy this in your book. 75, 76, 77. Completed? Well done. Write number 99. Here we have to find out the before number. Okay. So let's start counting the line of 9. 91, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Stop. Which number comes before 99? It is 98. Now tell me, which number comes after 99? Who tells me? Yes, after 99 there will come 100, 100, 98, 99, 100, 100. Everyone has completed? Very good. So my dear students, here we have completed. Write the numbers before and after. Now on a new page, write down the new heading. Write the number in between. WRITE, write. THE, the. NUMBER, number. IN, in. BETWEEN, and put full stop. Look, my dear, first letter must be capital. Whenever you are going to start anything, put the full stop at the end. Again, I am going to repeat. Write the number in between. Copy this heading in your book with a very good handwriting. Now look, after finishing the heading, leave one line, and after finishing each and every line, leave one line and then write. Okay? Now, first of all, write number 5 to 52. Write the number with a very good handwriting in one box. Make a box or draw a line, and then write number 5, 4, 54, 52-54. Now tell me, my dear students, how can we find out the between number? Here we have to find out the between number of 52 and 54. So how can we solve this? First of all, we have to find out the after number of 52 or before number of 53. We get the answer. So, tell me which number comes after 52? 51, 52, 53. So, the number which comes just after the given number or before the given number will be the between number. 52, 53, 54. I am waiting for you. Copy this in your book and make sure that you have to write just between the box only. 52, 53 and 54. Is everyone completed? Very good. Leave one line and then write number 3939. First of all, write number 3939. Make a square. Then write number 4141. You have to write between the box only, as you are having the square line book where you have the box like this. Okay? 39-41. Now tell me, how can we find out the between number? First of all, we have to find out the after number of 39. Okay? You want to count with me? Everyone, start counting. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yes, 40 is the between number of 39 and 41. Everybody copy number 40. First of all, write number 39. In blank, write number 40 and then 41. 39, 40, 41. Very good. Now, leave one line and then write the new number. Write number 41, 41. Make a dash and then write number 43, 43. 41 dash 43. How can we find out the between number? Yes, first of all we have to find out the after number of 41, or we can find out the before number of 43. 41, 42. 42 is the number which comes just after 41. In the blank, everybody write number 4 to 42. 41, 42, 43. Is everyone completed? We can say that 42 is the between number of 41 and 43. I hope everyone has completed a writing part, so that now first of all everybody sit straight at your place. Very good. Make your back straight. Very well done. Now again leave one line and then write the new number. 6, 6, 66. Everybody copy the number 66. Draw the box and then write number 6868. 66 blank 68. We have to find out the between number of 66 and 68. Which number will come just after 66? Let's see. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Yes, 67 is the between number of 66 and 68. Everyone, copy this in your book. 66, 67, 68. Very good. Leave one line and then write the new number. 88. Draw the box and then write number 9090. Is everybody completed? 88. Make a dash or draw a square box. Then write number 90. Now look at the board, everyone. and tell me which number will comes just between 88 and 90. Let's start counting. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Yes, 89 is the between number of 88 and 90. Copy this in your book. You all have to write with me, as well as you all have to speak up loudly. 88, 89, 90. Is everyone completed? Or should I wait more? Completed 88, 89 and 90. Leave one line and then write the new number. 70, 70. Make a box, then write number 72, 72. 70-72. Now tell me, which number comes after 70? Yes, there comes number 71, 71. 70, 71 and 72. We can say that 71 is the between number of 70 and 72. So everyone, copy this in your book. Is everyone completed it? Very good. Look, my dear students, in the series of revision, today we learn about numbers after, before and between. So I hope you all understand it well. You all copy it well in your book. Okay? And I hope you all are doing homework also, huh? What time is it now? Let's see. Yes, it's time to learn and write the table. And again I want to repeat, my dear students, in each and every lecture I try to take any of the table in the lecture so that you can understand the tables well, as well as you make practice regarding the same. So that what you have to do, what is your duty now? Yes, you all have to write with me and you all have to read with me. Okay, beta? You all are ready? Very good. Write the heading, table of 7. T-A-B-L-E, table of 7. First, I will read it, okay? So that you all have to speak up and write. Leave one line after finishing the one line. Seven ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. Here we have completed table of 7. Now everyone note down the homework in your notebook. In homework today you have to write numbers after, before, between, one time in your homework book. Everyone stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.